Hello, what's up, guys? Good afternoon, everyone. We're currently live now. Please, first thing you need to do first is to make sure you like this video and copy this link, put it on your WhatsApp. Someone needs to see this. Today, we're going to be doing trading live with me, Jeffrey Benson. So, this is how I do my thing. So, first off, in the morning, I sent a signal for US oil, but that's for the premium signals. So, I have a premium channel now where I drop signals. If you're interested, join my Telegram channel. You'll be able to see the link there. All right, you can subscribe and you get to get exactly the same signal that I trade all through the weeks, even the one I used to pass FTMO and that I'm currently making video on YouTube. So what part of the world are you joining me from? Right now I'm in Europe. I'm basically touring the whole of Europe this time around. So where are you guys currently at? Where you at? Let me know where you at. Where you are at. Where you guys at? Yeah, fortune teller. You're calling my name Jeffrey Benson. Yeah, I'm here. So we got people from United States, from Abuja, Nigeria, Ghana, Asaba, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Anambra, Lokoja, Enugu, France, Fuji Island, okay, Uganda. Is it Fiji Island or Fiji? Zambia, Nigeria, Port Harcourt, Sweden, Ghana, Kumasi, Adamawa, Dubai, Doha, Benin City, Ogun State, Mombasa. Yeah. Just okay. We have people from all over the world basically joining us. Germany, nice. Abia, Katsina, Ethiopia, Maiduguri, Cyprus, Abuja. Okay, good. Interesting. Nice to have you guys all here. First thing first is you want to put this link on your WhatsApp right now. Let people in your WhatsApp join us. Let them connect. Put it on your WhatsApp story. Let them join us. Let's trade together. I mean, the merrier, and the more the better. The more the merrier. Okay, so great. So without further ado, today's class, I just want to show you guys some pure trades. Good quality trades only. Quality trades. So I'm seeing a tap on GBP USD. I'm looking at we risking it for a short, but the chances of this to be correct is about 60-40. But then do you know what I'm going to do in order for us to increase the chance? I want to wait for one more candle to close. Let me let you guys in my thought process. So let me share screen. I'll show you something now. If you notice, sharing. Okay, I think it's this one now. So I'm looking out for pound dollar for it to come back low. Let me look for a plain chart. For it to come back low. So if it drops back again and closes below this low of this candle, I'm going to sell. Then I put my stop loss on this high that the market flash up to create a new high. If that happens. But overall, I'm looking out for long. Long is actually the real trend, but we might scalp it. So that's what I'm thinking. But I need that condition to happen for me to really be very sure of what direction I will be headed. But you can see it's in an uptrend. All right. So for the short sell, I might wait for price to want to break down a bit and then I'm going. But if it closes bullish like this, I'm gonna go in for buy. Strong buy. I'm gonna go in for buy. So looking at my eyes out on that, looking at that. So overall, I was trading an FTMO last week, which is what I told you guys what I'm currently doing on YouTube. More insights is going to be coming. It's coming pretty soon, so just stay there. And unfortunately, I lost one of these accounts. I took 4 accounts. I said I was going to take 5. That if I pass 2, it's going to be a win for me. I've passed 1. I've passed 2. Then this third one, I don't know why it's not showing passing. Then this one I violated this. You see, I went to 179 from 200k, so I lost that one. So it's still a fine. It's still fine rather. So this one I've passed this one, and I'm currently trading this verification, and this one is an actual FTMO account. I'm currently on this one too. So it is possible for you to actually pass in 1 day or in 2 days or in 1 week. Now, what's the intention? The intention is not for you to be always passing in 1 day, passing an FTMO challenge in 1 day, because it's not ideal. But I know so many of you take very long time to pass FTMO. Like some of you can take 1 month, there's still no success. I just want to show you a blueprint. If I was to start again taking proprietary firm, how I would have done it. So that's why you see I'm all the way going low again to start from proprietary firm. Though you would say I started with 200k, but you start with 10k. It's all about percentage. It's if I make 10%, I'm asked to make 10% on 200k. 10% of 200k is the same amount of thing I need to do for me to make 10% on 10k. Same amount of work I need to do for me to make 10% on 5k. So it's all percentage based. So now there's no excuse for anyone. So the style is pretty simple. I'm teaching that in the mentorship, which is what I also taught last week, Tuesday. I'm also going to be teaching that tomorrow again, Tuesday, on how I pass it. I'm going to be giving a more detailed breakdown. If you want to be part of that mentorship, just head straight to 5psfs.com, and I also have courses there that you can also learn from on how I do really, how I do all these things. I hope that makes sense. So now let's get to analysis of today. So what I want to help you to do for today is so that we take trades together. Okay, so that we take trades together, but more likely we're going to follow the trend. But do not get in now. If you get in now, you are taking trades of high probabilities, like 60-40 trades. 60-40 trades. So you also cannot even see that when the market even starts. I also don't know. I don't wake up and say, okay, today I'm going to be selling or today I'm going to be buying. I also don't know where it's going to go to. It's all about speculation. So once I see the chances of it being right for a buy or a sell, I load it in and maximize my wins. I minimize my loss. So the other day, someone was laughing about hitting stop loss. We hitting stop loss. Not this one, because of recent we've been hitting back-to-back wins. But there was a time he was laughing about we hitting stop loss. I was, trade is not about never taking a loss. That's one thing people don't know. In fact, out of 10 trades, you can afford to be wrong 6 times. What matter is how much do you make when you're right, and how much do you lose when you're wrong. So I'm talking to some of you there that are generating signals for yourself. I don't mean other people that don't know what they are doing. They think because they found some random courses on YouTube that they've made it. All right, that's not for people. Let me just encourage you now. If you took your own signal or you copied my signal, for some reason you lost your account or you lost that trade, you have to focus on the process. Not even take my signal now, on your own. You have to really focus on the process and ask yourself, whenever I make, how much do I make? When I lose, how much do I lose? Majority of the problem that causes unprofitability in the trading space is that you lose more than you make. Like, maybe you are trading now, you're in a winning streak for 2 months. Your wins to be small, but when you now take 2 big losses, it can clear out your 2 months work. That's the problem. So it's not about, you see now, it's not about the number of time you won. No, it's not about the number of time you won. The problem is still there. It's a psychological problem. So in fact, I even prefer someone that has been losing for 2 weeks straight, and that when he makes profit twice, is able to cover for that. That's a better. Investors will pick that person over you than you barely have stop loss. You think investors, they look at stop loss? No, they want to check your overall drawdown. In bigger words now, in professional word, overall drawdown and your average profit and average loss, and your overall drawdown in the whole of the trading period. That's what investors look at. So that's why you see with FTMO, any one of them that you see, any one of these challenges, you see what they calculate for me is that they're going to tell me what is my max daily loss. You see, my max daily loss, they'll put it there. So the ever loss I got on this account was 0.46. So did they put the number of stop loss I hit? The number of take profit I hit? It's none of their business. Do your thing. I'll be able to judge you by whatsoever I see in these statistics. So small traders do not. I know some of you belong to some groups that your brain are so brainwashed that you people believe in certain trades, like you maybe for example you're going on a trade now, they'll be like, oh, don't worry, this is the OBS, this is the BBS, don't worry, my stop loss is 10 pips or it's 2 pips, then my take profit is 1 to 10. You now do like this, it will not matter in heaven. And you are still broke. You are doing things like this and you are still broke. Then when you now finally, you maybe now move back a bit, kill your stop loss and start going up, you reject on my OBS and on my OBB. That's why it sweep me out, and then it's going my that's not what counts, man. If you need to make your stop loss wide and make sure that you are targeting 1 to 2, it is fine. Normalize that. Don't always think that being a professional trader means that your stop loss has to be like this and your take profit your take profit has to get to the sky. Take profit that you will never see. Take profit that you will never see. What matter is, if you have 1 to 2 risk to reward, let me explain what 1 to 2 risk to reward simply means. It's like going to market, buying something for 10,000 naira, you go back home to sell for 20,000 naira. That's decent. Now, it now depends on how much quantity can I buy. Now, if you buy goods worth of 20 million naira, that means you'll be able to sell that back for 40 million too as well. You understand? That's what you should not be focusing on, and how consistent am I with that. That is it. It's not that you're only looking for trades where you want to buy something. Some of you bet Niger mindset don't kill you now. That's why people are looking for bet Niger style too. You want to play something for 10 naira to win 10 million. My goodness. So you better stop that mindset. All right. Stop that mindset. Instead, focus on what is realistic, what you can go on with over time, what can be replicated. All right, what can be replicated. I'm not saying that one is not possible for you to see 1 to 10, 1 to 20 that you're looking for, 1 to 20 risk to reward that you're looking for. But how many times does it happen? Let's be honest. All right, how many times will that happen? So now let's go to charts, because this count is about to close now. I'm looking out on this trade. It's about, in 2 minutes time, we'll be taking action. Let's see. We'll be taking action whether we're going to sell or we're going to buy. This count will decide any of that for us. Then while we are waiting on this kind of GBP USD, let me take a super glance at GBP JPY. GBP. So GBP JPY is tanking. So this is giving me a feeling that GBP USD may also tank, but not always 100% correct. Not always 100% correct. All right, so let me delete this one because it's a different chart. So let's check on gold. On gold. Gold is also pushing up, which makes good sense. So, okay, let's watch. In less than 1 minute 30 seconds from now, we're going to be taking an action. So get your MT5 ready, get your trading account ready, get it ready. So guys, if you want to sign up with a brokerage, use the link in the description box to sign up with a brokerage, and let's go. Let's start trading. The new brokerage I'm using now is SS Markets. So do well to check it, and then you trade on the go with tight spread and really nice condition. Everything's pretty nice. US oil. On US oil, I called for a buy this morning. Yes, called for a buy, and I asked for break even now. And I also told them to already close. So this trade is no longer value. We already took our profit. You know, US oil is it moves like almost like gold, right? If not even faster than gold. It's very fast. So be careful with the lot size you put. Be careful. It depends on the brokerage too. So lot size can vary. Depends on the brokerage. So these are the basic pairs I'm just looking out for. So let's go back to GBP USD and wait. It's almost time. So whilst we are waiting, I want to be taking some questions. Let's take some questions. Let's be able to familiarize ourselves with some trading tips. Maybe you want to ask me trading tips. But the real trading tips that you want to get, market, we're going to only buy soon. I'm going to go on a buy, but I want a pullback next. I want a slight pullback, a tiny one. Let it pull back a bit. then we'll go in for a buy. So get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. So go in one entry first off. Go in with one entry now. Go buy with just one entry. I'm going in one entry. Just one entry for now. So when I say you should double down, you will double down. So GBP USD, I'm gonna go in with 25 lot on my own. That's because my account is 200k now, you know. So do yours depending on your own account size and what you can carry. So 25 lot, we are in. Let's see how that turns out. So if price tanks a bit to somewhere around here, I'm gonna go in with another 20 lot again. That means 40 lot. Then if you start going up again in confirmation, I'm gonna go in with 20 lot twice again. That make all together 80 lots. So that's how I intend to trade this particular one today. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I've already given you guys the winning trade for today. Let me share this trade. The take profit and the stop loss, very crucial. Yes. Very crucial. So stop loss simply means where do I think that the price will unlikely get to? So I think price will not likely get here, or if he gets here, I agree to be wrong. Another way to look at stop loss. So I also need to target 1 to 2 risk to reward. The next honest question I have to ask myself is it really possible for me to get this reward? So in order for me to answer that question, I'll check to my left hand side. Yes, it's possible. We can make a new high on this trade. So that's why I'm going to be leaving it right there. So our stop loss is 30 pips. It might look long, but it's 30 pips, which is decent. If you know trading GBP USD, you know it's decent. 30 pips to catch 60 pips. All right. So let me write out these numbers so that you can just copy and paste. I know some people, you never consign them, just give them this number they want to place on the MT4. That's their own. So SL. So I'm going to drop this one on the Telegram. So if you're new here, you're not part of the Telegram yet, just go join the Telegram. It's sweet.me. This is the Telegram link right here. Let me share that with you guys. The link is also in the description box. You can use this to join. So use that link to join the Telegram group. I'm going to be dropping in there. So this is the SL. This is the stop loss. I'm going to tap. Buy. Stop loss is 1.2. 8 997. Then take profit is 1.29928. Yeah, so that's it. So now that it's testing this point, I may want to add one more position, but not just yet. I'll wait for this candle to get about 5 minutes. Let's see what it's going to do. If I see a rejection off of that point, I'm going to add one more position for a buy. So let's hold these positions while we discuss about other trading activity whilst we are here on this live. All right, good. Now, let me take some questions. Let's today be more of question and answer. Yeah. Someone said we pray for blues. No problem. How do you get capital or accumulate capital? Oh, that's not something that I'm discussing here, man. He said you can use proper risk management with $12. Trading with it is like risking all. Just look for a good 20 pip stop loss and enter with only 0.01, or you can't use. Okay, good. I love this answer. He meant you can't, because if you're using the $12 account, even when you use 0.01, it's still a lot of lot size for $12. So you can't actually, if that's what you mean. Yes, he's correct. All this advice he said valid. Anyone in Asaba, I'm new, I don't know anything about forest. Louis Jerry, go back to our Asaba branch. We are 9 Asaba in Okpanam Road. Just ask for Fire Peeps Forex Academy. Go there. We are 9 Asaba. All right. Are you showing up at the Ikeja branch? Yes, I'll be showing up immediately when I'm back. If I'm back, when I'm back, I'll be showing up there. All right. Ask real questions, guys. Ask good questions. All right. So since there are no questions, let me go. So how can I pay for FTMO? Just go to their website and you pay. You'll be able to add an account and pay. Okay. Let's go and let me show you some more things. So we are currently on this trade and we are waiting. So let's scroll up and look for more other opportunities. So I'm going to check on USD JPY. I'm seeing price continuing down. USD JPY is very good for a sell. Another signal again, sell USD JPY. USD JPY is very nice for a sell. From here now, it's valid for a sell, but then you have to have a little bit bigger stop loss, which is 39 pips. So 1 to 2 risks to the reward should be somewhere around here. 1 to 2 risks to the reward. I think price can get to 146. All right. So let me call this 1 hour too as well. The stop loss is 147.291. 147.219. Please place your trade. I'm placing trades. So place your own trades. Today is more of trading, and we are talking less. Talking less. So GU is in profit now again, and USD JPY is also in profit. So let me. So for USD JPY, the stop loss is 147.291. Please kindly copy that. Right, 147.291, and then the take profit is 146.000. 146. So if you want to join the Telegram, here's it. I've dropped the link for you before, so go join the Telegram right now. That's where I put up more of the details. So as to what lot size should I use? People that are asking that question. What lot size should you use? Please use the lot size position size calculator. I've taught you a number of times about that. In order for you to use position size calculator, do this. For you to use position size calculator, just come here and search this link, babypips.com/2/position size calculator. So you want to copy. Let me send you this link to the same way I sent you the link for the Telegram. Use this link to calculate. I'm going to show you how to use it now. This is the link you need. So if you click on that link, it should bring you directly to this point. So now that I have a 200K account, I put my 200K and I put the amount I want to risk per trade, which is 2%. How much I'm risking on this trade. And that trade that we did, I think I was risking 30 pips and it's on GBP USD. I click on calculate. So it's saying I should use 13 lot size. That means if it goes against me, 30 pips, I'm going to be losing $4,000. Then if I'm not comfortable with that, if I'm willing to want to increase it, I can go ahead and increase it to, like, say 3% or 4% or 3.5, depending on what I want, my risk appetite. So this is how you can play around with what you do. But please, however one that you are, some people they are conservative, some are aggressive. However one you are, please know the type of trader that you are, know the amount you are risking per trade at least. Whether you're conservative is none of my business. When you're aggressive, neither is that my business. Please, the one that concerns me is that know what you are risking. So if I want to risk 10% of this my account now, I can do it as long I know that I know what I'm doing. So where there is usually problem is you blow your account, you don't even know that, you don't even know what you did wrong. You don't know why you blew your account. That's the commonest thing that happens amongst traders. So that's why this live session is here to address. That's why I painstakingly, no matter where I'm at, like right now, it's very cold here. I have to look for a place to go secure to do this live session for you, even though it's not convenient. I'm supposed to be catching flights now, but I have to do this live session. So that's how dedicated I am to make sure that you guys are well educated in trading. All right. So now on GBP USD, we are in profit, but not just yet. Not just yet. Do not readjust too much. Market will still do its thing. The goal is that markets get to at least the high. If it gets to this high, you know what we'll be doing? We'll be moving our stop losses in case that happens when I'm not here, when I'm away, because about this class is supposed to last for an hour. That happens, you're going to move your stop immediately, move it here, such that you're now risking 9.7 pips, 9 pips, and that figure then will be 1.29206. Not now. Don't break even now. It's too early. All right. So still leave it where 1.28997. That's where we should still leave it at. Good. So I just want to look for one more trade to add. So we are active on GBP USD. We are buying and we're in profit. On USD JPY, we are actively selling too as well. We're in profit. On CHF JPY, I saw an opportunity on this trade a while ago. After it broke up, it came down, retesting on this sell. But now, since I didn't catch the entry here, I'll just let it be. I'll let it be until another significant level is being touched off again. It's being touched off again. So let's just leave this one. Those two is fine. Those two are fine. Let's maintain that one and let's make profit out of that. Soon, I'll ask you to tell me how much you are making. Okay. Yeah. Okay, GJ. Someone said I should check out GJ. When is the best time to exit a trade to avoid losses? Also, is it advisable to re-enter the same trade if you realize you exited too early? No, it's not advisable to re-enter a trade if you exit too early, because at that time you are now buying at you are buying too expensively. And to first one, yeah, asked is, when is the best time to exit a trade? When you're seeing multiple week rejection, and we teach more of that too in classes too, if you want to check that out. Jonathan Jeremiah, you just joined our YouTube membership. Thank you for joining, and please let me know what exactly do you want. Usually people that join this YouTube membership are people that want to ask questions and want me to prioritize their questions. So this like example now, this member, this is a sign for YouTube membership, this person. So Unwa Obani Clinton said, please sir, which strategy do you use, sir? The one I teach exactly in the mentorship. Yes, that's the one I used. That's the one I used. All right. And then Unwa Jonathan Jeremiah said, thanks to you for the signal and the light. Okay, amazing. I'm excited that you find value in that. That's why you joined Jonathan Jeremiah. Thank you. I saw one other paid member that asked a very crucial question. Please, if that's you, please kindly drop it in again. Drop that question in again so that I can take it from here. Does the strategy still works? The one of trend lines, psychological level? Yes, it does still works. Strategy work depends on how you use it. Its work is a tool. So it's not an indicator-based strategy. It's a price action knowledge strategy. So it's always working as much as you have the knowledge. Okay, so let me share my screen one more time. Someone was asking, what is the stop loss for the UJ? That's why you have to join the Telegram. Go check it out. UJ is in very good profit. GBP USD too should be in very good profit. Okay, we're moving. It's pulled right up there. It's moving, and it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. Not much, but I mean, it's moving. For 20 lot now, I'm up about $1,300. 25 lot rather, 1,300. So how much are you up on? How much are you up on? It's nothing, but it's just in 15 minutes now. I'm up 1,300 plus in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, that's how fast I can make $1,000. So how fast can you make $1,000? How much are you making now? So William is busy today and Shams, they're both busy. They can't make it up here, and it's happened too fast that I can't copy this. I can't share it with them. So they are busy, they are up to something different at different locations. So I'll be the only one here. The reason I'm saying that is because someone is asking me for BTC analysis. So William is not here. I'm not going to do that for you. So someone is profiting $25, $2, $5, $74. $4. Priest has $4. Congratulations, Priest. $1,000 Tech D. He said he's making $1,000. I'm at $5. This guy said he's making $1.81 using 0.01. Amazing. $5.53. $25. Someone said he wants to spend a day with me. Okay. Are you in Europe right now? Are you in Europe? If you're in Europe, let me know. You might just get a chance because right now I'm adventurous. I just want to be going out now, just have some enough fun. Yeah. $12, $13, $80, $14, $10, $16, $11, $3.45. So this money that you make, it depends on the account sizes. Some is bigger, some is lower, depending on the account size. So someone is making $30,000 in profit. How the hell is that even possible? What lot size did you use? $1, $2,000 in profit, 1,600. Okay, good. So on both trades, if you are making money on both trades, drop number one on both trades. I'm not talking about people that just took one. You took GBP USD and you took USD JPY. Let me know. Let me know if you took both trades. USD JPY. So let's split our screen like this. So USD JPY is blazing hot. It's dropping really well, and it's nice profit. The GPS is slowing down. It's doing like woman. It's slowing down. We don't want that. We don't want that. But this one is really in good profit. So just in case you are wondering, what did he say? How is he able to predict these prices accurately? It's simple. I've already done my analysis before I came here, not to bother you guys. I know you just want to see signals, and again, you just want me to go straight to the point. So that's why I just went directly to the point. I saw that this is previous lows, and it's broken. Price did a congestion, yeah, rejected, and he finally able to break it. And then I saw, oh, even about to be late to the party. I just said, okay, hop on. So about the same thing that happened, when I came back, when I came here, I intentionally wanted to sell if some criteria got ticked, but that didn't happen. Then I changed bias. So what I saw was simple. I saw that first we're in an uptrend, and then price is likely, or it's less likely to drop because of this rejection that it gave us at this bottom. Because price feel at this point, we have a W here, which is giving like a divergence at this point. So it took out this high that was created while it was going down. This is a lower high and a lower low, took it out, and it retested that same point again. Boom, we're having more up pushes. So these are some of the reasons why I took these both trades. So if you're in profit in any of these two or on both of them, if you took the two of them, congratulations. And if you still want to learn more, come to the mentorship here. Now everything is well recorded. We have the beginners section, beginners class, we have the intermediates, we have the advanced. So apart from this one, we have timetable that you can follow through to learn curriculum. So whatever part of the world you are in, you can learn with this schedule. So let me just show you the time. You can just come back down here and download the timetable to see if it tallies with your work, and you can squeeze it in. Trust me, you can. This is the timetable. Click on this to see our time schedule. So Tuesdays, tomorrow, I'm going to be live. This is what I mean. By tomorrow, 2 p.m., I'm going to be live doing the exact same thing I do with you here. But then that one is going to be more detailed. So this is beginner's timetable, intermediate timetable, and advanced. You can ask question live, and then you can come on here to, this is the beginner's curriculum. You can check the curriculum to know which one you are. You might be asking, am I a beginner, am I an intermediate? Just come to this curriculum to see if you know all the subjects here, all the topics that we are treating, then you probably should check the next level. All right, so that's how it basically works. Now, what you just need to do as you are in profit is set and relax. Set it, put your stop loss, put your take profit, and just go relax. Only come back when you hear notifications from me when I tell you that, oh, now you need to move your stop loss to tighten to reduce your risk that you're taking on this trade. So your mind will now be more at rest. But you don't have to worry at all, because you are trading with proper risk management. Let me talk a little bit on proper risk management. So if you are trading a proprietary firm, ideally, you should risk 0.5% to 1%. That's what you always tell you. But one thing I can tell you, do you know you can risk 2% and still make a killing? You can risk 2% and still make a very good killing. Depends on how you get in. I'll be teaching that too tomorrow. Let me not talk too much regarding that, but just know that evidence full everywhere. This is my account on prop firm again. I'm showing you. This is the one. This is an FTMO account already. Any money I make here, I'm gonna be getting 80%. I'm already up 5,000. I've only traded on this account just 2 days. I'm up $5,000. This is verification. I passed this verification in 1 day. This one in 1 day. This one is also under process. I'll pass this one today or tomorrow. So if this trade GBP USD goes well, I'll pass this one once. I'll pass this verification once if this trade goes well, because I intend on adding more positions once we retrace a bit. I'm loading it up. All right. Then the FTMO challenge, I've basically traded 1, 2, 3. But this one, I failed this one. So many reasons. The time I was up 219,000 in this account, but I didn't take profit. I wanted it to be exact, and then the market went down. So, you guys are following through the process that I'm documenting on YouTube. I'm creating a playlist as how I'm doing it, how I did it. So this is the part 1 I dropped last 2 weeks. I think this was the part one. The 40K views right now. If you've not seen it, go check it out. And then this is the part two. It's 26K right now in just in 2 days. In 2 days that I dropped this one. So the next one is going to be coming out. Oh, I'm not sharing screen. Sorry. Ish. Sorry, guys. So you guys have not been seeing my screen since. Ish. I'm not even seeing the comments. I wasn't looking at the comments. So I said a while ago, I said this is the curriculum, the schedule. You can check, all right? And then on the FTMO, these are the accounts that I've passed so far. This one is the live account that I'm currently trading. I'm up 5,000. This is a new verification that I got logins of recent. And then this is one I've passed. These are the new ones that I've taken so far. Good. And then I now want to show the YouTube where I'm documenting all the series of the ones that I've passed. This is the first one I started. This one I started the challenge. And this is the second one. And the third one, you guys are going to be seeing my withdrawal. So that one might delay a bit because my withdrawal, just as you can see, FTMO, they give you a date of withdrawal. You can't determine that. You can't that's why I love live accounts. So once I make money from FTMO, I'm pulling it out, I'm putting it on SS markets on my brokerage account to trade myself again. That's what I want, because I want to be able to determine when I take out my money and when I put my money back in anytime I want. All right. Sorry about that. The screen wasn't sharing. Sorry, but now the screen is back up. Now on GBP USD, let me tell you what you should be expecting. So if candle in 3 minutes time, it's gonna go bullish or form a doji. If you form a doji, no entry. Permit me to remove this one. We all know that we're in this trade already, so permit me to delete it. Okay. So if it forms a doji at this point, do not get in again. If it forms a bullish candle and goes above these points like this, if it forms a bullish candle, and closes like this, enter one more position. Condition one. If it closes as a doji, do not enter yet, because a new candle is going to come that's going to come down so well. That's the one that you're going to use to get in for a new position, because when you get in at the bottom, you're having sniper entry, then it's going to take you up and form a bull candle. All right, that one is more likely to happen. But then if it closes bearish right now on this candle, if it closes bearish, which is less likely to happen, if it closes bearish, then do not enter, leave it and just keep watching. There's some secret to this thing. But if it closes bullish like this, enter for another bar as another entry. Yeah. This is where the real juice is. This is where the real money is. The real money. Knowing understanding candles and knowing when to add more position, knowing when to. So that's what I tell you. It's not about stop loss. It's how much you make when you are right. So if you just want to go to hit my stop loss, you just go directly once and hit my stop loss, and then I'm out. But once I'm correct, I maximize it. All right, maximize it. Slow and steady, we are winning this one. Slow and steady, we are winning this trade. On the other hand, we have USD JPY. It's currently retracing, but I think it's back to entry point on USD JPY. Just keep holding. GBP USD is giving, USD JPY will also deliver. All right. Thank you very much. I'm very glad that you guys had fun today and you had value to today's class. You got value and you're making money. What is my target? I'm targeting 1 to 2 risk to reward. So since I'm risking 30 pips on GBP USD, so I'm targeting 60 pips from the stop loss. It says, oh, I love this question. Oh my goodness, I feel for you, man. Look at this guy. This is from Max, more FX. How do you deal with your psychology having losses back to back? So he's been having losses back to back. will he deal with the psychology? Number one, have you been documenting before? If yes, now is the time for you to go back to that your documents to check. Candle just closed. That's why my phone is notifying me. Let me go. The GBP USD candle just closed bullish. Good, 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 good. Now enter one more. You remember what I told you? Let me never talk too much. Do what I said I told you that time. There are three instances I give you. Do it. You know what I gave you? I gave you the instances, so do it. Do the needful. Do the needful, do the needful, do the needful. So congratulations for those that are doing the needful. Do the needful. So for him, Max Moore, back-to-back losses. Sorry about that. But what you need to do is you have to revisit your trading journal. If you don't have a trading journal, make sure you get one, or look for any journal at home and then just start writing your trades. What I have to do is it keeps you more accountable to your inner self. Keeps you more accountable to your inner self, and thereby you would be very cautious of what you do. Hence, so another thing you could also do that can help you psychologically is you can speak to a performance psychologist. It's really very crucial you speak to a performance psychologist. And then the other thing that you can do is do a post analysis. Anytime you finish trading, don't stop trading, but open a small account, maybe like $10 or $50, whatever that is small to you. Some people it's 1,000, some people it's $100. Whatever you deem small, open it and keep trading. And then from there, only use small lot sizes, because you're not looking about making profit or even making losses. You're looking about execution, trying to fix what you did wrongly from the previous one. All right. That would really help you consciously, gradually be consistent. You'll be able to get it. I hope that that's fine. So Chisom saying value. Interesting, Chisom. Nice to have you in this class too as well. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. Yeah, somebody said that he loves my notification. Yes, my notification is very embarrassing sometimes. Well, there was a time here I was in transit, and then this thing started ringing so loudly. About three of them triggered. It started ringing. The way you hear it ring now. It started ringing profusely. Yeah, I was closing on my three phones. I was closing here, closing here, closing here, closing here. So okay, how do you fix it? How do you set the alarm? It's simple. First off, I think you have to, or you don't have to have a TradingView premium. I don't know. Check with tradingview.com. So all you just need to do, for example, maybe you want that, okay, if price crosses this line, TradingView alerts me. So you drop your line, you right click on it, you come to add alert on trend line, and then you add it up, put the parameters you want, or just put maybe a message you want it to say to you on your phone. Make sure you also have the TradingView app on your phone, and then you tap on create. Then there's going to be a tiny bell icon beside it here, tiny bell icon. So I think it is free, or for certain number of alarms. Yeah, I think it's free. But if your premium, if your account is proed out, you see, rank again. Why? Because candle crossed it's below. So that's how to use that. This is how to use this feature. It's really very helpful. It's really very helpful, because you might not want to be on your PC all the time, like when you are traveling, when you are working, and when you are attending to people and all that, when you are in transit. Yes, it's really very helpful. Uh, I have about $20,000 trading, and I plan to retire from my 9 to 5 job. How should I approach this? Interesting question, Mr. Benga. So you have $20,000 for trading. So there are two ways you can go about it. I'm going to suggest. Number one, you keep your job, you keep trading, so that in case anything go wrong, you always have a place to always get our money from, to always fund your dreams, your trading dream, which is the best advice you can ever get. Keeping your job, and then from there you can plan your exit strategy when you become so strong and solid. Obviously, you want your time freedom and region, let me say, geographic freedom. Like you can be anywhere. Trading, you're not really time free, to be honest. I'm still trading, I'm working on phone, but then the only thing that can allow me today, I can do it anywhere in the world. That's just the only thing. So that's what I mean by geographically free. So what you need to do then is, first off, really make sure that you know how to trade. Take $1,000 out of that money first to test, to be sure that you know how to trade. If you didn't blow it in 6 months and you're able to make consistent profits, maybe not much, but you didn't lose it, then you can go ahead and fund the whole of the money and you trade it. All right. Maybe 3 to 6 months is decent. 3 to 6 months is very decent. So when take that route to be fine. Or if you're so good and you know you have very good risk management, try proprietary firm. But I prefer that you fund it. That'll be more better. Like, you're having a more better approach, one-on-one approach. Right. My problem is I can learn on video, but get to the chat, I'm confused on the chat, sir. Please tell me something. So you need a hands-on experience. You need a hands-on tutoring. I think that's what you need, a hands-on. So you learn on video, but when you get to chat, you're clueless. It's a phase. So that means that you're at the intermediate phase and you're just still learning on how trading works. So what you need to do is take it one step at a time. Each concept that they teach you, take about 3 days to assimilate that and to practice that. Make sure it's sync before you go to the next phase. I mean, they're not the catch late comer for this thing. Even if it take you 1 year to learn this thing, it's your pace. No one is fighting you. No one is competing with you. So take your time and let it sink. All right. Interesting. Interesting question. Oh, I see another one again. He said, so can I borrow money to start trading a real account after many practice of demo? No, do never borrow money to trade. Never borrow money to trade. The reason why that is that you'll be on some unnecessary pressure. So do not. Do not. Okay? Make sense? Which other question? Which is more important to check before trading? The main trend or the current trend? You check both of them. Main trend is very crucial, as well as the current trend is also very crucial. I mean, what will it take you to for you to move from 4 hours to 1 hour to 15 minutes? It's not bad. I mean, before, if you must put your money in something, you must be sure that that something is worth putting money on. By just switching 4 hours, oh, uptrend, 1 hour, oh, it's showing uptrend, 15 minutes, oh, I think it's entry time frame, like that. So I believe that's clean. All right, thank you guys for joining on today's call. I'm excited. I'm still in profit. The market is pulling down. So let me give you let's touch base on these trades that we've taken. So for GBP USD, market is still set to go up. We're in the right trend, so no fears. Still leave your okay now, yes. Break even, guys. Break even on this trade. Let me bring back. Yeah. So now, we got in somewhere around here and price has made an equal high to this thing. So I want you to change your stop loss now to here. Change your stop to here. That's putting you on 13 pips risk. 13 pips risk. So your new stop loss is 1.29. 29165. Yes, do that right now before we leave. Let me copy this one for those in Telegram. Those on the Telegram group. So the breaking even, the new SL will be this. So for GBP USD JPY, leave it like that. Leave it and let it keep flowing. All right, let it keep flowing. You are in with the line of the trend, so there's no panics. You're in with line of the trend. We are selling USD JPY, we are buying GBP USD. All right, take it easy. See you guys some other time. Make sure you keep the fire peeping, right? If you have any question on this, feel free to ask me. And make sure you're in the Telegram channel where we always drop back-to-back signals. And if you're interested in taking my signals, a paid signal, please chat me up on the group or follow the instructions on the Telegram by just chatting this bot. Let me show you how to go about it. Let me just show you real quick for those who want to join the signal. Maybe you just want to be taking just signals only. And you can just scroll up to some of my this is it. Send subscribe to this bot, Jeffrey Benz help bot, this one. So you just send subscribe and then it will take you through the process. You make payments and then you'll be able to join the Telegram, premium Telegram channel. All right, and then you get to make profit with us. Thank you very much. Take it easy, guys, and bye. See you guys next week.